Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Dogecoin from KuCoin to Arculus Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently moving your Dogecoin like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified KuCoin account with some Dogecoin in your balance and an Arculus Wallet app installed on your device. Double-check that your Arculus Wallet is funded or ready to receive assets. It's all about security in the crypto world. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the KuCoin website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallets section to view your Dogecoin balance. Next, go to the Withdrawal page. Look for the Withdraw button, usually found in the top menu or under your asset details. Select Dogecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. This is where you enter the all-important wallet address. Copy it directly from your Arculus wallet to avoid any typos. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so accuracy is key. Now, for step 3. Input the amount you want to send. Be mindful of the network fees. Dogecoin transactions are typically fast and cheap, but always check the estimated fees to ensure you're not overpaying. Once you've entered the amount, review all the details carefully. Hit that Confirm button and verify the transaction through any required two-factor authentication. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from KuCoin. Sit tight. It usually takes a few minutes for the Dogecoin to appear in your Arculus wallet. A quick tip. Always use the Dogecoin network for this transfer to keep things compatible. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check KuCoin's status page or reach out to their support. And never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. You've just sent Dogecoin from KuCoin to your Arculus wallet. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and keep building your crypto portfolio. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.